night somebody commented on one of my videos that I didn't have a true time lapse. Stuff is so thick I can't even see where I'm going. Hey guys, Kapper here. Recently on one of my videos that I had labeled time lapse, somebody's like, that's not a real time lapse. So today we're going to make a real time lapse, or at least a much better one than that one. So we're going to take out the skid steer. We got the skid steer back, got the wires all patched up from the mice, got the hydraulic lines fixed up. We're going to take the blue diamond mower out, and we're going to mow some thick and nasty stuff here on our farm. And I want to put the drone up, and it's going to be, I think, pretty cool. So let's check it out. Thanks. So now we are going to have a true time lapse.